Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video call in the Telegram app on your PC. With the latest updates, it's easier than ever to connect with friends, family, or colleagues face-to-face. So, let's get right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and the verification code sent to your device to sign in. Once you're logged in, find and open the chat with the person you want to make a video call with. This could be a one-on-one conversation or even a group chat where video calls are supported. Now that you're in the chat, look up at the top of the screen. You'll see a small phone icon next to the contact's name. This is the call button, and it's the key to making your video call. Click on that phone icon. Once you click the phone icon, a menu will pop up with two options: voice call and start video. To make a video call, simply click on Start Video. And that's it. Telegram will immediately start the video call, and you'll be able to see the other person in the chat, while they can see you too. You can move the video around, mute your camera, or even end the call with just a click. Remember, you can also switch to video calls during an active voice call by clicking the camera icon if you started with just audio. It's a really simple process, and the quality of video calls on Telegram is great, whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data. So, next time you need to chat face-to-face, just follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tricks.